Add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then whisk it together. Now get 1 1/4 a cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 beaten egg, and whisk it together. Then whisk the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, but don't overmix it. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Fold the chocolate chips into the batter. I set my burner a little under medium heat and greased it with butter. Once the pan is hot, I'll add 1/3 a cup of batter. Cook until the bottom is golden brown. Mine took 3 to 4 minutes. Then carefully flip it and cook for another minute or 2. Repeat the process for the remaining batter. Please consider giving the video a like and thank you for watching.